Guys, please subscribe and help Amafans Wetu TV get to 80,000 subscribers. Welcome to Amafans Wetu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Chelsea Wakososha.
Hey, Chance Obiang. Sharp name, my Chiefs go global. Hey, yeah, Orimvich.
Yeah, come on.
Sharp. What's up with the skipper? One point, so, my children,
Salon Kailenzani.
Yeah.
Okay, so shop next game.
Next game. One, Majida. Sorry, my Chiefs ball. Renara is Nenzeri Zurubul, so Ishab. We knew Badul, so Ishab. All I know, Kino, simple. Disaster Ota, to Eastern Cape.
Yes.
So Renabu Joseph Planter will so Nana of a platform.
Chance.
But for my Chiefs, I'm happy to hear.
Ikamabani, my sister.
Usipokazi.
Puma kupi?
Diplume pa Quebeca. Apo Ronan Williams as a local opponent pride.
Ubonega Johnny came.
Oh, it was a marvelous game. In a sense that Dinawari Nagoku, the previous speaker that was there.
Yes.
Kilo put positive. It was not about the referee at Sundowns.
Yes.
Referee Wabuba Chisile Bona. First half.
Yes.
First half, Mamele Bona.
Yes.
Ndano ngake ngoku wabaleka ngoku kuthiwa manunabi balekule ku referee baleni uhleli phamanqoba as a referee
yes
akhaka ngabe kanti uyaphithizela okwesibini ndifuna ukuthi makhosi soze nisitye nangoku nisingomo esiphuma pha eNaturena na utyabona nothi thina
yes
ndifuna acknowledge one thing. Second half babuyile shem naqona hey ndiyapenika nami hey kodwa ndabe ngqoma this is Mamelodi brand le entsweni asozobe ngqola mina ngoba sathenga abani sabathenga abani into ebalekile this is competition. If you want to win the competition you need to buy players for you to win the competition. You cannot win a competition sitting at home expecting that everything is going to come to you. We are killing players, but at the end of the day, we are buying players for us to win all these competitions. Because at the end of the day, Sundowns is playing many competitions. Bona, but play competitions as they throw for. Bye bye. Hey, Sundowns sends a proud as usual. Now spoke when we buy. Game Kabuyelo team
nakudile nabantu le fatigue udile nabantu le fatigue malabat le gamer ke palese go coach because re khala Sundowns in 2 days time nabe this South African boy to busa Sundowns o wetala o to send no one o tell Loftus.
And lastly
man of the match
third man high before man of the match thirdly asinayo umuntu wesithathu uthini soze sibe naye man of the match lamfana malamnana usuka namebhayi lamnana Nana, by Quebec.
William.
Yeah, but out of the country. Once it was hit. Not the other.
I'm going to go number 1.